Today, I am reviewing the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home security with a smart doorbell, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus with Ring Chime Pro might just be the perfect option for you. This 2023 release combines reliability, convenience, and powerful features to give you complete control of your front door, whether you're at home or away. Let's dive into what makes this bundle such a solid choice and why it stands out in the world of smart home technology. First, let's talk about the video quality. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus delivers 1536p HD Plus video, which is a step above standard 1080p resolution. This means you're getting crystal clear video with sharp details, whether you're identifying a visitor, checking for a package, or just monitoring activity at your doorstep. One of the best things about this model is its head-to-toe field of view. With a wide 150-degree horizontal and vertical range, you can actually see more than just faces. You can see packages left on the ground, pets that wander by, or even kids standing closer to the door. It gives you a much more complete perspective compared to traditional doorbell cameras. At night, this doorbell doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with color night vision, which enhances visibility in low-light environments. Instead of grainy black and white footage, you get richer, more realistic video that helps you distinguish details even after the sun goes down. That's especially useful for spotting what's happening outside late at night without ever having to open your door. Now, one of the most important aspects of any smart doorbell is its motion detection capabilities. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus uses advanced motion detection with customizable motion zones. What this means is you can decide exactly which areas should trigger alerts. For example, you might want to ignore cars passing by the street, but still get notified if someone steps onto your porch. On top of that, with a Ring Protect subscription, which is sold separately, you gain access to package alerts. This exclusive feature detects when a package is left within a specified zone and notifies you instantly. In today's world, where package theft is unfortunately common, this is an incredibly valuable tool. Speaking of the subscription, the Ring Protect plan also enhances your overall security experience. With it, you can record and save videos for up to 180 days, giving you a long window of time to review past footage. It even stores photos for up to 7 days. Plus, you can share clips easily if you ever need to provide evidence. While the doorbell works perfectly fine without the subscription, adding it definitely unlocks more peace of mind. Installation is often something that makes people hesitate when buying smart devices, but with the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, it's refreshingly easy. The device is powered by a removable quick-release battery pack, which makes recharging hassle-free. You don't need to uninstall the entire unit, just swap the battery, charge it, and you're good to go. For those who prefer a continuous power source, the doorbell can also be hardwired to an existing doorbell system or connected with a Ring plug-in adapter. The entire setup process takes about 5 minutes, and everything you need, like the installation tools and corner kit, is already included in the box. The bundle also includes the Ring Chime Pro, which really elevates the experience. The Chime Pro not only provides audible alerts throughout your home but also acts as a Wi-Fi extender for your Ring devices. That means stronger connectivity, fewer dropouts, and more reliable performance. You can place it anywhere there's an outlet, and it will cover both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. So even if your router is farther from the doorbell, you'll still get a stable connection. Another big advantage of this doorbell is its Alexa integration. If you own an Alexa-enabled device like the Echo Show or Fire TV, you can use simple voice commands such as, "Alexa, show me the front door camera." The live feed instantly appears, letting you see what's happening without lifting a finger. With a Ring Protect subscription, Alexa can even make custom announcements, for example, letting you know when a package has arrived or when someone is at your door. You can also use two-way talk to speak directly to visitors, delivery drivers, or even deter suspicious activity right from your phone or Alexa device. Durability and reliability are also worth highlighting. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is designed to operate in a wide range of climates, from -5 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That means whether you live in a snowy environment or a hot, sunny location, you can count on this doorbell to keep working. On top of that, Ring guarantees software security updates for at least 4 years after the product is discontinued, which ensures long-term support.